Hello friends, this is Durga from IT Varsity. So as part of this video, I will try to show how to set up Oracle's VirtualBox on Windows PC so that we can use the VirtualBox for different purposes as part of the learning process following my courses available online. So to install Oracle's VirtualBox, you just go to Google and search for Oracle VirtualBox download. Okay, and then it will show the links. You can go here. Okay, and here you can see there are different VirtualBox URLs, one for Windows hosts, one for OS X or Mac hosts, and another for Linux. So depending upon whatever platform you want to use, you can just download of that platform. So in this case, I am trying to set it up on Windows. So just click on this, and it will actually start downloading the software. You can see it here. It has started downloading the software. It will take some time. It is 115 MB. So once you download it, you can set up the VirtualBox very easily. You just have to double click on it, and it will start installing the VirtualBox. So we'll wait until this is done, and then we will see what we have to take care after the VirtualBox software is downloaded on our Windows PC. So it is downloaded now. You just have to expand. So if you are using Mac, and if you try to download the Mac version, it will download either DMG or PKG. In this case, it's DMG. For some of the softwares, it will be with the extension .pkg. So you just have to download and go to the download directory and double click it, and it will install on Mac. Similar is the case with Windows. We will have .exe. For Linux, the extension might be a little bit different, or there might be tarball, which you have to download and untar. So you have to follow the similar steps irrespective of the platform you chose to set up the virtualization software, so that you can actually practice and learn other technologies by using the images provided by the vendors. For example, Cloudera's Quickstart VM, Hortonworks Sandbox, whatever it is. Okay, so now the software is downloaded. You can click on this. I am using Chrome. If you are using some other browser such as Internet Explorer or Firefox, the location of the downloads might be little bit different. So in my case, this is the file. I can directly go there by clicking on this and clicking on show in folder on Chrome, and then double click this one, and then it will start setting up the software. I don't want a shortcut on the desktop. Don't want a shortcut on the launch bar, and I don't want register file associations. So click on next and click on yes. Click on install. Click on yes when it prompts to confirm, and then it will install the software. So with respect to Mac, you might have to drag a little bit onto applications for some of the softwares. If you are familiar with Mac, it will be very straightforward. You just explore and you set it up on Mac. And I don't want to start, or I can leave it like that so that it can actually start the VM VirtualBox immediately. Afterwards, if you want to get it, you can just search for Oracle VM VirtualBox, and you can see it over here. So this one I already have the software, that's why I'm seeing a lot of VM images here. But for you, there will not be any virtual machine images here. It will be plain slate, and then we have to get the actual images, and we have to import into the virtual Oracle VM VirtualBox manager, so that you can actually have the virtual machine to start practicing whatever tool you want to practice using this virtualization software. So that being said, I have shown you how to set up VirtualBox in this video, when I actually talk about relevant technologies which we want to explore, you will see how to import it into the VirtualBox. So going forward, whenever I introduce a new technology, if I decide to go with virtual machine, I will showcase um, with VirtualBox as well as VMware Workstation or Fusion, which is licensed. So do not worry much about those things here. Depending upon the technology, whichever is more compatible, I will try to leverage that. That being said, I hope you will be enjoying the content going forward, which I will be uploading on my YouTube channel or the websites where I create the courses. Thank you. Bye.